For brands, choosing an active bra design isn't just about style. Beyond fabric and trims, every detail from strap placement to cutting lines to manufacturing technology directly impacts production time and ultimately cost. So how do different bra styles affect complexity and pricing? Let's break down 4 bra styles: U-back and racerback, criss-cross or strappy backs, longline and high-neck, and those with special features. Now, can you guess which one has the highest production cost in the factory? Production cost isn't a fixed number, it's shaped by design. To compare these 4 bra styles fairly, we assume the same fabric, trims and conditions. From there, cost comes down to 2 things: how much material is used and how complex the sewing is. This is operation breakdown documents for several bra designs at a major garment factory in Vietnam. In short, they list every production step with exact time measured down to the second in mass production. These documents are considered confidential as they reveal factory's capabilities along its CM cost, a key factor in pricing. First, U-back and racerback bras. These bras are cost-efficient. The construction is straightforward with fewer components, and main operations involves mostly standard overlock or flatlock stitching. The CM process for this bra involves around 37 steps, and notably, it doesn't require any special machinery. Less handling means lower labor cost, and their simpler structure makes them the most economical option for large orders. Criss-cross or strappy backs add labor cost. Each strap requires precise alignment, reinforcement, and manual handling. These designs also come with higher quality control needs, since strap misalignment can quickly affect appearance. The higher number of operations increases SMV, which raises production cost per unit. That's why, even though the CM process has only 37 steps, certain operations still take considerably more time to complete. Longline and high-neck designs increase both material and labor costs. These designs has higher fabric consumption per piece, while wide waistbands and necklines require stabilization and multiple passes of stitching. For designs like longline and high-neck bras, the CM process involves around 45 basic steps. Additional features certainly raise SMV and material cost. For instance, adding a zipper means more sewing steps and reinforced seams. Ruched details add manual handling. Laser cut or bonded finishes require special equipment. The CM process for a zip front bra can involve up to 50 steps. For a seamless bra with molded shaping, that number can reach 65. Some operations take much longer and require specialized machinery, such as bonding and heat press reinforcement. Professional factories convert product designs into the corresponding production time. Here are some figures for your reference. A simple racerback or U-back bra usually takes around 13 minutes. These are straightforward, with fewer pieces and quick assembly. Medium designs, like criss-cross or strappy backs, take about 14 to 15 minutes per product. Added time for the strap handling. Complex styles, such as longline or high-neck bras, require 16 to 17 minutes. More fabric, more sewing steps, more careful stabilization around the waist and neckline. Some special designs can take 18 minutes or more. These involve special techniques, some manual work, dedicated equipment, which pushes both production time and cost to the highest level. So, if we imagine all these bra designs made from a same fabric, same removable pads, using a same labeling method, same quality checks and finishing steps, here's an estimated production cost for each type in Vietnam. Simple designs, like racerback or U-back, are the least expensive. Medium designs, such as criss-cross or strappy backs, cost a bit more. Complex styles, like longline or high-neck, their cost goes up accordingly. Finally, special designs are the most expensive. In activewear production, design choices are cost choices. Simpler styles keep labor and material low, while complex backs or added features increase both time and price. For brands, understanding these trade-offs is essential to align product design with target cost and market positioning.